This one, I support Brother Mike for this one. Somebody for this time, they buy fuel, 1.5 million. When things stay like this, people they suffer. When things stay like this for Nigeria, and all these people are the people that are supposed to talk, and they are not talking. And when people like this can buy fuel for 1.5 million, what do you want our youth to do? What do you want? When after now, the same government, the same people go call, they go say, Yahoo boss, do them, this person, all these kidnappers, all these things. Somebody come out openly, and the person is saying it is wrong. It's wrong. I'm saying my mind. I'm saying my opinion. I don't know, but you people are following me here. Say something. Is it right? Bro, Mike, this one now, I give you 100% for this shout where they do here. For this shout, I give you 100%. See, as bro, the thing, they pay Brother Mike.
We get for this country called Nigeria. Them are our leaders. EFCC and DSS. No go see this woman video now. They ask a question in this country, in this accent. The reason why she buy fuel for only 1.5 million naira.
A woman, no.
If you're a Yahoo boy, they will harass her. The youth are protesting every day because of saying they lack job for this country.
Now so,
see, Nigeria youth.
everybody have to be better.
Share this video.
We have to be better.
Wash your face and they come back to come put pepper for their yash. Not too much. 5 million naira for just fueling car. I don't know, maybe cross country or I can't really see where 1.5 million naira will be used for fueling only one vehicle. The question is, the money for these contractors, 2023, was the money appropriated for released to the ministry's account, yes or no? The money that yes or no? I cannot answer yes or no. That is the question. Was the money released to the ministry's account, yes or no? From the account, yes or no? Okay, don't worry. The money the money was released. I'm not giving chance to explain. I will not answer. That's what you speak. You say you want to allow me. I have to speak. 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 But I go straight to the issue at hand. No, why jump to that particular issue? These are what contractors.
Day!
I have not done anything.
Ego na-atọ ụtọ. Ego na-atọ ụtọ. Day! Especially ego atara afụ. Ego atara afụ. If ebe a na-eri ya like this. Sorry, if you are not hearing Igbo. Money they sweet to chop them, to spend them, especially when you did not too much suffer for that money. For this country where we dey now. Some people know they suffer. Some people they enjoy the enjoyments. Some people they enjoy now. People where they abroad, they don't get anything. If you ask somebody where they abroad, make it give you money, how much he go give you? They don't get anything. Now for this country, now money dey. Money is here. Now here people get money. Now here people they spend that. Now here people they enjoy money. They will even go outside, carry and go outside, enjoy their money, come back. Now only our youth. Then one day like this, I was traveling with the youth. I was traveling on the road. Small time, police carry the youths. The two boys wait for us. Small time they don't carry them. Small time they don't carry them. They search them. They check their phone. They check everything. They no see. Small time, any place. I can't stand up. I can't ask police. Say what is the problem? Then they carry her. Why? What is the problem? We know what is happening. We know where our things dey. We know where they dey. We dey in the hand of our leaders, in the hand of our government. Now there dey. You know now. Another this thing go soon come. When they come now, they go flex am. People go come out. Yeah. We know where it dey. Make we no come dey pretend. Say we no know. We know. Dey. Onye na-eri ihe mmadụ, onye na-ewu ihe mmadụ, onye ori ka ọ bụ. Ma okwu ya o. Onye na-eri ihe mmadụ bụ onye ori. We know where it dey. It dey in the hand of our leaders. When they go there, go collect am. So be only our youths. I know say some youths they know they do well. Some youths they don't they misbehave. Some youths they in fact, but then too. Then they do am. They pass the youth. They do am pass youth. Now then teach youth. Now then they show them road. Now so I talk am.